Damn, this one I gotta pay for parking? God dang it. We're out near downtown Las Vegas. We're at the South Vegas Premium Outlets. We do have a crazy packed Nike outlet. Always huge crowds here. Looks like we got 30% off the back wall. Sometimes they got a heat wall, sometimes they don't. Today, they do not. I guess these just got out the aisles. $70 for these flight courts. These are the 10.5s. These look like some Jordan 6 fronts right here. These 40, was it 145? What the hell? Wasn't expecting to see the 100 plus 70 for these bad boys. The 70 to get 30 off. So it's similar to the clearance store. LeBron Next Genesis, $100. Definitely not used to seeing those for that price. And those made it out the aisles. Those Witnesses made it out the aisles. These are 80. These mids right here, looks like these all came out the aisles 100. These are all size 10s. Got Kobe's right here. These are going for 160. Real Tree slides right here. The Calm slides 40. Gore-Tex Dunks right here 120. Got Air Max DN8s 130. In the size 9, looks like they cleared out the aisles of a lot of stuff. 160. These are all 9.5s. Foams right here. 170. All the Trunners. Kobe Elite's got quite a few of these as well. 160. Witnesses. LeBron trainers. These are 110. Like 6 of these in a row. Jordan 1 High OGs. 140. More LeBron trainers. 110. All right, let's go check out the clearance apparel where we get 40% off, and we have a lot of racks. Bought my kid a couple pair of shorts. I haven't seen this material shorts in a while. I don't even know what material it is, but how am I seeing a bunch of cotton, 100% cotton stuff lately? What? I got the green ones right here. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys the price. I am tripping. 45 for those. Remember, 40% off everything. Looks good, 40% off. These are like some golf 24/7 shorts with no price tag things, but nothing, fools. Oh wait, it's right here. All right, here we go. Oh, no thank you. 105, I don't see the markdown. These are definitely polyester, but they look pretty fire. 80 down to 50, and then 40% off does have zippers. Jordan shorts right here. I bet you these are 80/20 because that's the way it feels. That's why it's cheaper. I thought these were the really high quality Mamba pants. Nope. The Jordan shorts, they're just regular polyester. 45. Tech pants 45. It's just 24/7. Yeah, 24/7. It's just so soft. 24/7. Things are just so freaking soft. 55 normally. 110 triple XL. Sweats for 40. All right, back to 30% off. Clearance shoes. Moving over to the bigger sizes. Hopefully they have something different. Trunners right here. 115. What the hell? And they got the nerve to use the gray extended size price tag. What the hell? A lot of the same stuff. I'm struggling to show you guys anything new. 60 for those. Seen a couple of these at 40. The brown trainers right here. Brown trainers at 110. So it's like the Lakers colorway, like a pastel version of the Lakers colorway. GT Cut 3 Turbos, 135 for these. Got a couple of those, which is kind of interesting. 12s, we got some Monarchs. Go for 75. What the hell? Seen these for like 40 bucks and stuff. I'm gonna say seen them for even cheaper. 110. Got the Flight Legacy. What the hell? And then more of the same. This is the 13th. This is the. Yeah, now we're done, you guys. Let's go. Take a sneak peek at the women's huge sizes. They don't really have that much. Mids at 75. A1 at 60. We see the gray tags. Pegasus premiums at 110. So 110. You get 30% off. It's gonna be what, 77? 77 is not that bad. Just that color is not the greatest. 77 might be the cheapest we've ever seen that now that I think about it. Got these Jordan One M&M's right here, just very interesting. This one, the color is actually not that bad. What? Oh, I was gonna say one something. $70. Size 11. We've been seeing a ton of these lately. 190. That's the most expensive one we've seen. Infinity Run 4 is 110. They got tons and tons of stuff for 40% off in the apparel. So let's cover more of that. A lot of t-shirts. A lot of t-shirts, and I don't know, just a lot of the t-shirts aren't too interesting for me. These graphic tees, they are going for 40 off on top. More basketball t-shirts right here. Training t-shirts right here for 40 off. That's just a graphic tee, dude. Oh, okay, they got Nike running right here. What the hell? All right, they're talking about 20 for those. More t-shirts right here for 40 off. 20% off tech fleece. I would think they'd be getting rid of this stuff like at the clearance store. They had them for clearance. Yeah, they're not even that cheap. That's like off retail. What the hell? This stuff is 40% off. This is olive green, army green. I don't know. You know, off of 70. Damn. 40% off 70. They got tech pants right here. They got regular fleece right here. These are $30. 40% off. Tech pants is off of 105. 40% off. This is 24/7 sweats, which are 55. Normally 115 though. Got golf slacks right here. Loose fit golf slacks. 65. 40% off. This is Nike. Yeah, Jordan cargo pants. 65. Interesting texture on this one. This is hella loose fits. These bad boys go for 60. We got two more right here, 40% off. Swimwear, $30. I didn't even go in the pool because I was busy at the gym when my kiddo was at the pool. 30 for this one. Remember, 40% off all that. Got more t-shirts right here. Jackets, 85. More Nike t-shirts right here. All right, let's go check out the aisles. And of course, I did have to check the end caps. And these are pretty interesting. The Gore-Tex, what are these? The Element, the Jordan 1 Elements right here. I don't see a price tag though. See if we see it in the aisles. Do got a couple Jordan 1 High OGs. Price is just hella low on these. Plenty of sizes. This one goes up to 13. Got some mids, flight cords, Bizak lows. Jordan 1 Low OG Obsidian University Blue. I think I have these. I totally forgot I had these. I was trying to remember if I had them or not. And price for these right here. Then got plenty of non-signature J's, including these Why Not 0. What are those? The 6s, and then got a lot of non-signature J's. I almost said Team J's. Non-signature J's. Then we got Kobe 81-point games. I'm gonna throw these bad boys on. I think game 1 of the Lakers this year. I don't think I'm gonna go to the game, but I'll be at a bar watching. Got Kobe 9 Elites. KD 9s. We've been seeing these on sale recently at the retail shops. Couple Ja 1s. Budget signature basketball right here. Got Witnesses. Got the Next Gens. Kind of budget, not really. And then we got the Giannis Immortality 3s. We got some Rejuvenate slides. Rejuvenates. Got these. Vomero 5s. Got 4 displays of these. These are canvas ones. Some Black Forces. Air Force 3s. You know what? I'm curious when they made these because we've seen so many of these. Like every outlet has them. And I'm like, did they just find them at a warehouse somewhere? No. They were made August 8, 2025. So not super old. Guess they just didn't move. Air Max 2017. Air Max Uptempo 95 Chicago colorway. LeBron trainers. Multiple colorways. Air Max 90s right here. 3rd colorway. Air Max DN8s. They had that one over there, and then they're like, nah, man, we're not moving all these boxes next to that one. Then they got another Air Max 2017, and then a tree of these 270s. Some of you guys like Monarchs, right? $75. I'm used to seeing these go for hella cheap in LA. Out here, they got them almost full price. That's like the highest we've seen them. We probably just got these pairs, and we've seen them move a ton of stuff from the aisles to the clearance wall lately. Then in the running section, finally see some Pegasus Premiums right here. A couple different colorways. Then Alpha Fly Next Percent 3s go for way cheap. And they got so many, they got 3 different displays. They got Invincible Run 3s, as well as some Vomeros right here. It seems like they're getting a ton of the same stuff because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Vomero 5s. These are all the same. I say Vomero 5s. Vomero 18s, all the same ones. I don't even see no wide ones or nothing. So yeah, they're all the exact same. All right, we're moving over to the women's section. See Vomeros 18s go for 135. Zoom Fly 4 is 50. Jordan 1 High OGs 110. Remember 30% off the back wall. These dunks, we've been seeing these everywhere. $60, damn. Alpha Fly Next Percent for you hardcore runners. No price tag? What? No price tag? Oh, 190. Ton of those Jordan 1 OGs. Vaporflies 27. God damn. That must have been a return. Jordan 1 MM, $70. 8 seems to be a common size. Barely any 8s. Got Cortez 45. That's a crazy color. More of these 270. More of these 110. Jordan hairs down here. 80. Are these Zoom Flies? Zoom Flies 6s. 180, 8.5. I don't know. That's retail. Like none of. Oh, never mind. It just blends in. $90. Yeah, see, this is the retail for the Alpha Flies right here. Like $295, but that one right here is $190. Oh, I haven't seen these many times at all. You got the Vomero Premiums like these. Have barely ever been seen. Nike got all of their midsole technologies, Zoom Air, Zoom X, and what's the last one? Zoom Air, Zoom X, and what's the last one? Oh, React. React. My bad. I don't know why I'm forgetting things, but got all of them. What they go for $2. They're normally $230. I was like, what? Why is this? In the women's, this is a grade school right here. And then yeah, $75. You get an extra. You get that extra discount on top, 30% off. Holy crap! That drops this what? $50? 50 effing dollars? Holy crap! That comes out to $53. That's freaking crazy. $53. They got a bunch of them over there. I don't see red tags though. Yeah, and look, all these are marked at 100. All of them are marked at 100. Every one of these. Somehow that one got marked wrong. That's what's up. All right, let me see what's going on in the women's aisles right here. Got Jordan 1 High OGs. Got some mids. Got lows, and more lows. These are the ones with the nylon, the Skyline lows. Jordan 4 RMs going for crazy cheap. Jordan 3s right here. Which 11s? Which 11s are these? I don't remember these releasing. But do got these bad boys right here, and they're going for well under retail, $160. The denim lows, calm slides, some rejuvenates, a couple different colorways, and then of course got plenty of these things. Another one of these gold, another one of these dunks. Vomero. Oh, I thought these were Vomero 5s. Air Max Interlink. What the hell? Ross Specials, Air Max Muse. And so many of these at Ross lately. Vomero Roams, another Ross Special Air Max Sanders, another pair of dunks, Forces, another one right here. Got Cortez, we saw this in the clearance section. Another one right here, this one is a nylon. Always see a bunch of tourists because Las Vegas, right? All right, let's see what's going on with grade school, where we got some B grade Forces. I know because it says on the box, but they're still got it for retail. That never made sense to me. I'm hoping people are dumb enough not to know what that means. Got some Air Max 270s, Dunk Lows, Lego Dunks right here. It's like pleather. It's pretty much just plastic, and then they paint on it. Got some Jordan Trunners, Dunk Lows. Almost said Vomeros for these. Eva Rovers, non-signature J's. Got a few more on this side. Jordan 1 How G's, the mid. Then more of these generic J's. And then 3 more colorways of these Jordan Trunners right here. 25% off backpack. These are going for $40, normally $47. This one right here is $75, normally $80. How much of a discount? I guess you get 25 off on top. These bad boys, $52. These $30, normally $45. This one's kind of interesting. Got the huge rope on it. Yeah, that one's going for $40. It's been up to 117 or something in Vegas this weekend. Dude got Jordan 1 lows. Pretty clean, but I don't know what the hell got on it. I don't know. Just cleaned them this morning because I saw a big old smudge. But yeah, Jordan 1 low OGs. I think I got like $40 something, something like that. And then shorts and t-shirt because it's hot, man. It's hot. Not the easiest to match with color wise, but these are pretty decent backpacks. They're not too bad. 25% off though. What's the price though, fools? What's the price though, doggies? Because these go for a good amount. Oh, this one finally is priced like $60, so not bad. 92 normally. I've seen these high as like 100, a little over 100, like 105 or something. Out here at Luxor, which is owned by the same people as Excalibur. Got tickets for Blue Man Group. It was included in the all-inclusive package. Got 2 rooms, so I got 4 tickets. People are paying, I think people paid like $63 for these. What the hell? It's crazy. All right, how do we get in? How do we get in? Over here? Blue Man Group's been up for like 1,000 years. Haven't seen them once yet. Okay, all right. Curious to see how this goes. At the very back, but I think we're only like 16 rows down. So not bad, man. They had some open seats up front. Dude, we went from HH to B. Kind of crazy. They're looking out, Blue Man Group. They're looking out, doggy. What a show, what a show. Ended up at the very front, pretty dope. Fun show, you guys. Tap Sports Bar, one of the spots that's included in the all-inclusive. The menu right here, I forgot to get footage from the other spots, so my bad, you guys. But they got smash burgers. They got the Philly cheese and salmon. Comes with a drink. Also comes with a beer. You get a drink and a beer at every location, which is pretty freaking dope. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm curious to see how the food is. Most of the food's been good. There's a noodle spot. That place is garbage. Yo, not bad. There's the Philly right here. I forgot the salmon. Salmon with fries. What the hell? What the hell's going on here? And then she got a single burger. This one got a double smash. Then I did grab a couple beers. Got a couple beers because there's only 2 of us that's over 21. But yeah, I found it when I did walk over to the Luxor, which is included in the MGM all-inclusive stuff. We're at the Pyramid Cafe. It's our second breakfast here. This is actually one of the best spots for breakfast. And service is actually really good here. Food's good. I forgot to film yesterday. And this is the breakfast, the French toast right here with all kinds of stuff. This fool got grilled chicken for breakfast, kind of crazy. And includes coffee, drinks and stuff. Pretty freaking good, dude. All-inclusive package, not bad, not bad. Ooh, I can't wait. Can't wait.